making a sound, a very crucial part of music. So, when you're holding the snare drumsticks, you want to use the grip that I talked about before, and you want to have your sticks at a 45-degree angle. Now, I'm about 2 to 3 inches above the drum head. A good place for a medium dynamic level, a medium loudness, not too loud, not too quiet. Now, before I make a sound, I want to talk about which part of my body is going to be used to make the sound. I'm going to use my wrist, only my wrist. In fact, I'm not even going to come up. I'm just going to go down to the drum head. So it's going to be with my right hand first. So I don't even need my left hand. I'm going to do 4 strokes with my right hand. And now we're going to do 4 strokes with the left hand, going straight down using just the wrist. As you can see, once the stick hits the drum head, it bounces right off, just like jumping into a trampoline. All you use is your wrist and you go straight down. That's how you make a sound.